Okay, I'm on this one, and you're in case of break. This is amazing. Glass breaks into sound effect and sends a scream, but you'll never guess where I get it from. Okay, now, I do think something that looks really loud. Is that my mic? Okay, so funny. See? Glass breaking. See? Not me. Watch it. Keep my mouth shut. Nothing from me. Let's see. Let's do another one. This is very funny. Actually, that one makes me laugh at some point. One of my friends here. She'll make those noises. Oh, this is my sound. That was again. Something else. Yeah, actually. If we're doing just like sorry if it's not very loud. This is anyway. This is what? I'm trying to work out where he's from. My voice box on my MPU. My name is Kiss Kiss. Capital X, small x, Miss Gold Kisses, small x, big X, yeah. To film out if you're free. Just saying I have a voice. Don't ask me. Oh, and sometimes. Oh, wait, friends. This one's really funny. Friends can be doing random on that. So you can like the video. I like that one. Just saying this is my friend Ezra. The other one with me that has a small my server. That was me. So, that's it. It's so funny. So crazy being around me. No fun. It's here. If you don't do that, I'm not here too much. I'm gonna see. So, you could do both. shooting PCW shooting here. We don't have guns again. So do. That's sometimes I actually laugh. But I went these sound effects here because you can go. Okay, last one. Okay, that was the end, guys. Sorry for the random sound effects, especially in there. I'm showing you all the sound effects. Oh my god, I've done 6 minutes and something and almost 10 seconds of them filming sound effects. Bye!